How are you, my dear children? Want to hear a story? Today I am telling you the story of a thirsty crow. It was a hot summer day. A crow was very thirsty. He flew from one place to another in search of water, but there was not a drop of water anywhere. All the ponds had dried up. The crow flew a long distance and was tired. Suddenly, he saw a pot under a tree. The crow flew down and sat on the pot. He looked into the pot. There was a little water in the pot. The crow could not reach it. He looked around and saw some pebbles. He picked up the pebbles one by one with his beak. He dropped them into the pot. Soon the water came up to the mouth of the pot. The crow drank the water and flew away happily. Okay, see you again with a new story. Bye.